Details on P. Diddy's first day in trial, and Taylor Swift has been subpoenaed. Opening arguments are set to get underway in the highly anticipated trial for hip-hop mogul Sean Diddy Combs. Combs, who helped shape the rap and R&B industry in the 1990s and 2000s by developing artists like Biggie Smalls, Usher, and Mary J. Blige, has been accused of essay by force, transportation to engage in solicitation, and extortion conspiracy as part of a blockbuster federal indictment originally filed in September 2024. He later faced 2 more superseding indictments. Now, Combs pleaded not guilty to all of the charges. A jury was selected Monday to hear the evidence against Sean Combs. The 12-person jury includes 8 men and 4 women. Now, the defense accused federal prosecutors of bias since most of the government's 9 authoritative strikes were black prospective jurors. The defense attorney said, "By our count, the government struck 7 black people, which, it's our belief, amounts to be a pattern." The prosecutor responded saying the government has conducted itself completely neutrally during jury selection. Now, the judge rejected the defense's challenge, saying the government has given race-neutral reasons. Combs argued earlier this year the solicitation charge he faces should be tossed because he claimed federal prosecutors demonstrated racial prejudice. Now, federal prosecutors denounced the argument as baseless. Combs would face a mandatory sentence of 15 years in prison if convicted on the charges, and he could face life in prison. Combs' lawyer planned to argue during their opening statement that he may have committed DV in his relationship with women, but his behavior did not tip into coercion. His defense attorney said, "We are going to take the position that there was mutual aggression in their relationship. We're probably going to call it DV," which of course we believe is him referring to Diddy's relationship with Cassie Ventura. Taylor Swift is being subpoenaed as a witness in the ongoing legal case between Blake Lively and her It Ends With Us director and co-star Justin Baldoni. Now, a spokesperson for Swift emphasized the singer has had no close connection to the film other than her song My Tears Ricochet being used, and that the subpoena is to create, tabloid clickbait. A rep for the singer said Taylor Swift never set foot on the set of this movie. She was not involved in any casting or creative decisions. She did not score the film. She never saw an edit or made any notes on the film. She didn't even see It Ends With Us until weeks after its public release, and was traveling around the globe during 2023 and 2024, headlining the biggest tour in history. Now, the connection Taylor had to this film was permitting the use of one song, My Tears Ricochet. Now, given that her involvement was licensing a song for the film, which, 19 other artists also did, this document subpoena is designed to use Taylor Swift's name to draw public interest by creating tabloid clickbait instead of focusing on the facts of the case. Many publications have reached out to Lively as well as Baldoni for comment, both of which of course have not responded. Lively had previously accused Baldoni of harassment and orchestrating a smear campaign after she filed a complaint. Baldoni denied the allegations and countersued Lively, claiming she used her friendship with Swift to undermine him. His filing references text messages in which Lively describes Swift and Ryan Reynolds as her most trusted partners, likening them to dragons from Game of Thrones. Baldoni's lawyers argued this implied that he was up against 2 of the most influential and wealthy celebrities in the whole world. Well, you know what? This is Hollyweird for you. Which case will turn into a 6-part Netflix special. My money's on both of them, but let me know what you think. I'm your host, Ashley. I'll see you next time.